Fetch Rewards users can usually fix iOS update problems by checking app permissions, updating the app again, and reinstalling it when basic troubleshooting does not work. By the end, you'll know the main reasons Fetch Rewards may stop working after an iPhone update, and the steps to try before contacting support. If Fetch Rewards stopped opening, stopped scanning receipts, or features are not responding after an iOS update, start with the app itself. App updates can sometimes create temporary issues when the app version, device settings, or stored app data do not work together correctly. First, check whether Fetch Rewards has the permissions it needs on your iPhone. Open your iPhone settings, find Fetch Rewards, and review the available permissions. If a feature like receipt scanning is not working, a blocked permission can prevent the app from using the required phone features. Next, check for another Fetch Rewards update in the App Store. A new iOS version can sometimes require an updated app version. Open the App Store, search for Fetch Rewards, and install any available update. If the app still crashes or freezes, close the app completely and reopen it. This clears temporary problems with the current session and can restore normal behavior. If that does not work, reinstall Fetch Rewards. Delete the app, download it again from the App Store, and sign back into your account. Reinstalling removes stored app files that may have become corrupted after an update. Before deleting the app, make sure you know your account login details so you can access your account again. Some problems are not caused by your iPhone. If Fetch Rewards is having a service issue, changing settings on your device will not fix the problem. In that case, check Fetch Rewards support channels for updates or wait until the service issue is resolved. If your receipts, points, or account activity are not appearing correctly after trying these steps, contact Fetch Rewards support through the app and provide details about your device iOS version and the issue you are seeing. The main fixes are simple. Check permissions, update the Fetch Rewards app, and reinstall it if the problem continues. Your next step is to open your iPhone settings and verify the app permissions before trying more advanced fixes. If this guide helped you fix Fetch Rewards after an iOS update, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.